Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a new one here on the channel, BNXN or Benson, that's his name, Daniel actually. So he has this song called Say My Name. So a really nice song here to play on guitar, not your typical guitar song, but anyway, let's do this together. So we don't need any capo here because we will work with just bar chords, alright? 3 different bar chords. So let's take a look at the different chords. We have first the F sharp minor. All right, so you place the bar on the 2nd fret with your index finger there. You bar all strings. All right, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. The next chord here will be the B minor 7. You can keep that bar. You don't actually have to bar the last E string, so you can just release that if you want, or you can just stay with it. But anyway, you need to place the bar still there on the 2nd fret. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. So that's the B minor 7. All right, and then you take the exact same grip there and move it 2 frets towards you, and you land at this position here with the index finger on the 4th fret. You place the bar there now. You don't have to bar the last E string, just 5 strings below still, and then you need to add 6 on D and 5th on B. That's the C sharp minor 7. All right, so that is the chord progression for this song. We have the F sharp minor with a B minor 7 and a C sharp minor 7. All right, so let's learn the string pattern, and we have one that goes down, down, up, clap, down, like this. Okay, so down, down, up, clap, down. A couple of rounds to get the feeling here for the rhythm goes. Alright, so just a bit faster, you will play F sharp minor, 2 string rounds, B minor 1 and C sharp 1. And that goes from the beginning till the very end of the song like this. Alright guys, so that pretty much covers BNXN's Say My Name. Nice song there. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it, and feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.